I've been loving ice cold beers. Ugh. So good. So today we're gonna go see Andrew Schultz, and that's gonna be really fun. I got a couple things done today, and I'm just gonna finish up one thing, and then I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna chill, kick my feet up, and wait for the show. Cheers. Hi. I'm getting ready right now to go meet my friend EJ for dinner. I haven't seen her in it's been a long time, so I'm excited to see her and catch up. I did my makeup earlier, but I'm just gonna freshen up a little bit. I'm wearing this romper 2 days in a row. I love it. I might buy it from Nuuly. It's just so easy, and I just look put together when I haven't even really tried. I just throw this on. And it's really hard for me to like clothes, so I might have to, but I've been spending like a crazy person. Unacceptable, unforgivable, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Never have like leftover blush on my finger. This is my favorite lip liner. It was my mom's and I stole it from her, and I've been using it for such a long time now. I actually haven't checked if they still have this in store. It's called Crushed Berry from Clinique, and it's like the best and most subtle lip liner. It just blends in so well with the color of my lips, so I've been loving this. Okay, let's go to dinner. I'd love to show you something. We're going to NOLA this Memorial Day weekend, and my best friend Natasha and I are hosting it. And last year we made hats for the group, but this year we're making cups and shot glasses. Jesse hasn't seen these because I want him to be surprised too, but Natasha and I made these cups for each individual person, and I love how they came out. So this is me with the beauty filter on. This is Natasha with the beauty filter on. I can't wait to share this with the group. Anyways, we're gonna head out. Jesse's gonna drop me off to dinner, and maybe I'll vlog the dinner. I don't know. We'll see you later.
It's incredible.
Got more camping gear. I'm most excited about this. We actually got this for NOLA because it's super hot in NOLA, but I think this will come in handy for our camping trip too. We're going camping next week because Jesse is officially gonna be free from his old job, and he has like a week break. So we're just gonna squeeze in a trip. Oh, it's working. Ooh, it's working. Hold on. That's amazing. Amazing. Today we're going to the beach. And I went grocery shopping for our snacks and lunch. We're just gonna make Hawaiian bread Italian like sliders. Oh my god, I'm fucking up. soggy by the time we get there.
Good. It's good.
Mmm.
Oh, you're so cute. Bye, baby. Bye. Oh, you're so
Good morning. Today is gonna be a whole errand day. We're gonna go return a bunch of Amazon stuff. We've been just like swiping our card like crazy. We just talked about our credit card bill is not looking good. Oh, we're finally gonna be putting up the shelf that we've been putting off, so that's something we need to do. And just more house things. Honestly, this is getting tiring, you know? Don't want to do these house things anymore. We are finally putting up the shelf that's just been collecting dust for the past 3 weeks. We've just been putting this off because I don't know why, you know, life. Shall we? We're gonna go get this anchor from Home Depot because it's snapped in the wall. The one that they provided us is so cheap, so it just broke under pressure. So we're gonna go to Home Depot now. Found an old photo of me and Jesse when we were in New York. Perfect for us. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm so serious. Oh my gosh, look at our shelf. How cute is that? We still don't really know what exactly to put on there, but I think it looks okay for now. I don't know. But good afternoon. I'm going to my tattoo laser removal today at like 2:40 and I'm dreading it. This is my 6th time and it just does not get easier, so I'm just not looking forward to it. I gotta tell you the truth. This is what it looks like right now. I don't know if I have like a good before photo, but I mean, it got a little bit slightly lighter, but it's still very much there. I also have this one and the one on my neck that I'm also doing, but I'm like on the fence about continuing with those. Jesse keeps saying I should just do them all, might as well, but I don't think you understand how much pain is involved with this. I will say the neck one hurts the least, but the arm ones are just like, it's really bad. But yeah, okay. I guess I should go get ready. See you later. Okay. Love you, Shawty.
Please press the button and take the parking ticket. Please take the parking ticket. Please enter following path.
Song. I have to sit here for like 40 minutes for this numbing cream. It's layered on thick today, y'all. We'll see. Thought I was just gonna get my arm today, and then they came back and was like, why aren't you just doing your other tail? And to be honest, I didn't want to do it because it hurts like hell and I don't want to just like go through it again, but here I am. I just got back and I'm so excited about these.
Huh? No,
Oh, you
just take
It's like our own gas
convenience
station.
store, yeah.
I don't know why I love them so much right now.
Dang, 46 of these. Grip and rip.
It won't, there's no hole. Was there a hole for you? Thank you. I loved them and then I got scared of them and I'm back to loving them again as an adult.
6 grams of protein per
6
serving.
grams of exactly, Jessica. Anyways, I just got back from my appointment. Do you see how raised that is? I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very swollen right now. Tiff said that I didn't have to come back for another 6 months because it's my 6th appointment, which I'm very pleased to hear. I'm so whiny about it, but it truly really hurts. And I thought I had like a high pain tolerance, but I don't know. I just don't. It hurts like hell. But I'm glad it's over for the next 6 months. Oh, it's so swollen. And it's hard. It's like rock hard. But you gotta do what you gotta do.